we're not buying into chaos. We're not buying into drama. We're just continuing to do what we do to balance ourselves and to make sure that what we're putting forward, we're getting back. Hello, Aquarius. This is Don with Sonoran Tarot. This is your weekly reading for the week of April 14th through the 20th. This is a finance and investment reading. So, considering what's going on in the market, this is a great time to hear what we have to share with you. Let's take a look on the bottom of the deck. On the bottom of the deck, we have the wonderful Six of Pentacles. The bottom of the deck, the card on the bottom of the deck is the overall energy of the read, and not necessarily your energy, but the energy of the reading about what's around you and what the week's bringing for you. Let's look at the top of the deck. On the top of the deck is, oh my goodness, a Three of Swords. That is your energy for the week. And the next energy up is the Hierophant. So the good thing is the Hierophant is bringing us a little bit of structure and a little bit of tranquility to offset this not so good card, okay? And then we have following the Hierophant, the Page of Wands. So this is the energy for your week. Again, the most important thing about the week is there's going to be a very balanced energy. So don't expect as much chaos during this week, and more importantly, don't rise to the chaos. Don't let the chaos get to you. Don't let it get into you in any way whatsoever. That's the energy of the week for the reading itself, and just again what's around you. So we're not buying into chaos. We're not buying into drama. We're just continuing to do what we do to balance ourselves and to make sure that what we're doing, what we're putting forward, we're getting back as well. Now, this is a week of worrying and a week to be careful. This is a very, very strong, careful week. And what that's saying is that if you are not careful and you do something without really understanding what you're doing, without really putting in the effort to learn and to understand and to have a good idea of all of the potential issues that could arise, you may wind up getting spanked, and not in a good way. Because this is again, this is a week of stability, not a week of doing something crazy. And the Hierophant's right beside you saying, hey, for this week specifically, make sure that we stay focused, make sure that we stay on key, make sure we stay on target with what we do. Let's not try something new. Let's not go crazy. This Page of Wands comes in. The Page of Wands is like, okay, there's this there's new energy, renewed happiness, renewed satisfaction, especially around work and so forth. Focus on that and make sure that we're not doing something else more reckless. And so stay out of the market. If you say you're a long-term investor, then you don't want to do trade. You don't want to day trade. This is not the time to learn how to day trade. Even if you see the markets are going crazy, and you're thinking, hey, if I do options and so forth, this could be a good time to learn. This is not a good time to learn. This is a time where you stay with what works for you and don't get creative, because if you get creative, you can hurt yourself. There's a Hermit card. The Hermit card, I'm loving that as a clarifier to the three. The Hermit card is saying the same thing pretty much. It's saying stay with what works. Stay with what is in line with you. Stay with what you know has been working for you. And when you do, don't be surprised again that you get good results, because again, you're not making waves. You're not trying to break the rules. You're not trying to go outside of something you know. You're going with something that, again, you're looking for information, but using information to support what you do, not something new crazy. Underneath that is a Page of Cups. Again, the Page of Cups is saying, hey, if I stay with what's working for me, I don't try something crazy, I stay with what's working on my path, I keep the balance possible, then I'm going to be getting good news. Again, good news coming in, good, happy news, things that make me happy. And again, that happiness is indeed that fact that we are not at risk because we took a gamble. And then underneath that Wands is the Page of Wands is that Seven of Cups. And so the Seven of Cups is it's again confirming, stay focused. Stay focused. Do not get sidetracked with this, the hottest thing, the latest thing, the greatest thing. Somebody's brother said 1, 2 to somebody else. It doesn't matter. The point is if you stay with tried and true, stay balanced, stay with what you're doing. If it aligns with you, if it is aligning with you, then you will have the success you want, and the information will come in to confirm that that's what has happened in your life. Okay? So there is some work to be done. Again, that's a Nine of Wands. There's work to be done. But know that, again, the end is in sight. If you need to do anything, make sure you ask for advice. That's the advice card. That's the Three of Pentacles. And then this is the Three of Wands. So after this week, we're going to see again a shift. So by the time that we get into May, you'll be ready to take a leap. But right now, let's stay out of the market. Okay, this is the getting ready to take the leap. This is the starting to move forward, but not quite yet. Interesting. Hit the like, share, subscribe, and follow button. I would truly appreciate it. Again, if you want to help me grow my channel, share this to some folks and let them learn the information that they need to know as well. Love, light, and blessings from me and my family here at Sonora Mystic Tarot, to you and yours, until we see you again next week. Have a great one. Bye-bye.